Yes, viewers, right now this train come already here in Nadi station, but right now I will go another station. Very big train. Yes, viewers, right now we are stopped here in Hyderabad railway station. So today I am going to Tandowadam railway station and Tandowadam city. This train right now I come here. The train name is Rahman Baba. That one from start from there to until there. The last going to hub in North Punjab and coming from. Yes, this railway station is Hyderabad. Right now we are Hareval here in Hyderabad railway station. So today I am going to Tando railway station. So this train is coming from Karachi to going to Hyderabad and Lahore and anywhere in Pakistan. And that one, the Hyderabad railway station. Almost people here right now coming down, and some passenger going to inside. Hyderabad railway station. So right now here all people selling the food. Hyderabad railway station. Okay, so right now this train going to back again. We are going to Pakistan, Sindh, Tandwadam. Yes, viewers, he is my friend, Pakistan. Pakistan. Right now we are going to traveling from train and going to Tandwadam. Pakistan, Pakistan, best. Yes, viewers, Pakistan, Sindh. Traveling with train. Yes, viewers, right now arrival in Tandodam railway station and Tandodam city. So this is my last destination today traveling. Okay, my friend, huh? Thank you very much. Yes, viewers, right now this Tandwadam railway station. So I have to go right now, finish my tour from here, from this train station. This train, Rahman Baba. Yes, Rahman Baba, this train. Yes, Tandwadam. Tandwadam railway station. Viewers, this city is domestic in Pakistan, Sindh district. Yes. And viewers, he is my friend. Mr. Kamran, he is my friend, and he is my also friend. So right now, I station here is Tandwadam today, finish.
Okay.
Yes, viewers, right now this Tandwadam railway station. So we are just right now this train arrival in Tandwadam railway station. Tandwadam, that one the Tandwadam city. And he also passenger going to North Pakistan, Sindh, like Lahore, anyway. This one going to down and that one is going to up. This train right now arrival here. I think it's 5 minutes only stop here and then going to like last destination is Peshawar, Rahman Baba. Tandwadam railway station in Sindh, Pakistan. This is the old model train engine here in Tandovadam railway station. Old model, old design. And that one, the Tandovadam railway station, and Tandovadam city there, and that left and right and left, all Tandovadam railway. Yes, we were this situation here in Tandovadam, this city situation like that. Yes, we were Tandovadam city is fish 1,200 rupees Pakistani. This guy said me 1 kilo, right?
Yeah.
1 kilo 1,200 rupees Pakistani. So this is the city of Tandovadam. Yes. So right now just I am arrival here in Tandovadam city. This is old Tandovadam. Here also selling this one for the kitchen. I don't know actually what is the name, but this one also selling here, this city, Tandovadam. So we will see here also. Actually, we will see this Pakistan, some domestic city like that. It's so dust, and some area is very clean, but some area is very dusting. But it's nice. If you want some eat food, here is very cheap. How much glass? One how much? दिखाएगा यार, दिखाएगा. वहाँ कितने का गिलास है?
ये 40 रुपए का.
40 rupees Pakistani. Viewers, he sent me one glass. What is this? What kind is this? Okay. Milk? Okay, milk. Viewers, this is a tuk-tuk, domestic city. Going to anywhere in the village, some area, right? And that one is the Latif Gate. Tandovadam city, Latif Gate. Oh, like that is Pakistan. Some cities like that. 120 rupees Pakistani in that one. I don't know actually what is the name.
आप कहाँ से हो?
Pakistan. Yes, we are selling also peanut. He's the old man selling also peanut here, and this one the sweet meat. Actually, it's Pakistan like that always. Anyway. Yes, we will see this one also is cooking right now here. How much? कितने का?
40 रुपए का.
40 rupees Pakistani. Said me 40 rupees Pakistani. One piece ना? एक दाना. दो दाना?
नहीं, एक दाना.
One piece, yeah. He said me one piece is 40 rupees Pakistani. He also selling the peanut. Yes, he also cooking here the bread, and like that. Pakistan is like that. Some city is very beautiful, but some city rivers is poor situation. So I am so sorry because my country like that. Some area, but not all Pakistan. Pakistan, some area is very beautiful. This is the Tandovadam city and Latif Gate. That one is Latif Gate. Yes, you must see situation here like that. You know, people poor situation, poor village, so like that. Anywhere, all the world, anywhere, any country, poor situation. If poor situation is like that. Yes, viewers, in saloon, you see, old man is working right now here. He said me 32 years working here. It's very small shop, you see. Saloon, a small shop. He stay here 32 years working here. Poor situation, this is okay. People is very nice, Pakistan. जी दोस्तों, ये शहर अभी लगता है बहुत पुराना हो चुका है. यहाँ के लोग भी जो है ना बुढ़े हो गए. मतलब बड़े एज में पहुंच गए, तो इस तरह शहर का भी जो है ना सिचुएशन इस तरह हो गया। पहले ये शहर बहुत साफ था, अभी देखो इस तरह इन्होंने शहर को बना के रखा। यस व्यूअर्स, राइट नाउ इज तंदोवादम railway station, situation like that right now. Yes, very best city before, but right now is old story, old situation here. So right now is, I think it's much more beautiful. Tandodam railway station and platform. This building, Tandodam railway station.
तंदवादम शहर अच्छा है रिहाइश के लिए।
Yes viewers, right now I am here already in Tandodam city. So actually maybe tonight I have to go back to Karachi. At night time is 9 p.m. Start from this station. About 4 hours I reach there in Karachi. So we will see today Tandodam also here anywhere in Tandodam city in Sindh, Pakistan. I think right now one train is coming, but it's very far right now. जी जी। Yes viewers, is right now this train is, I think, is machine of maintenance for the lane. This train track, railway track, and this side is going to Lahore and Punjab. देखने दो। This is a cargo train going to Karachi, coming from Punjab now. Yes, viewers, is black cow. I don't know actually what is the name, but in Tandodam city, black cow. भैंस है भैंस, इसका नाम इंग्लिश में मुझे नहीं आता है भाई। Yes viewers, right now is cargo train again coming, going to Hub, no? Going to Hub and Lahore. Coming from Karachi to going to Lahore. कोयला जा रहा है, कोयला। Yes. Yes viewers, here Tandodam is very nice. Mutton, huh? Mutton is each piece is 3,500 rupees each piece. 3,500, 4,000 each piece, Pakistani rupees. In Tandodam. Yes, very nice food here in Tandodam city in Sindh, Pakistan. So he is also here working and he is selling here. 3,500 na each piece na?
होता है इतने का
Yes,
होता है
viewers, he sent me 3,500 each piece the mutton. This leg of goat.
टेस्ट
Yeah, very nice and very tasty. Viewers, you come here in Sindh, Tandodam, Pakistan. So you don't forget this one. So you have to must be eat this one, okay? This is the famous food in Tandodam city. Very nice. I hope everybody come to here.
राब्ता नंबर
Yes, he sent me this shop also. Name is this shop. Family Hall.
माशाल्लाह
Yes, viewers, also vegetable very nice in Tandodam city. And he also this guy very nice people Pakistan and selling here.
पाकिस्तान
Okay, hi, how are you, my friend? Good, huh? Okay, thank you very much. Yes, viewers, very nice mutton. If you visit in Tandodam city, it's very nice and very cheap. About 3,500 rupee Pakistani each piece. You see, very nice. And he make it here in the fire. Then after finish, if you can sit here, it will be very easy to eat here. You see, this is the marketing area in Tandodam. Yes, viewers, so many shops is here. Yes, so many shops is here also selling here, and that one also selling is here. Tandodam, the famous food here, the mutton, right? ये बकरी का है ना? मटन भाई ये गोश्त तंदवादम में सबसे बेस्ट है. लोग आते हैं विजिट करने के लिए, इसमें आते हैं, इसको खाने के लिए. सॉरी. Yes, viewers, very nice Tandodam city and so many foods, so many fruits here, anywhere. About is the food situation, but it's very nice. If you have money, so come to here and visit here. You can eat everything is very easy. This Tandodam city. I hope everybody come to here and buy this one. Very nice. Yes, viewers, right now I have to eat my dinner because I am so hungry. So actually I have to go back to Karachi same day tonight. So I'm waiting for train and also I come to this restaurant to eat this food right now. It's very cheap. Yes, around this 50 rupee Pakistani, and this each bread is 20 rupees Pakistani. So 2 bread and 50 rupees is like 90 rupees Pakistani. Okay. Yes, viewers, this area name is Mahmadi Chowk in Tandodam. Mahmadi Chowk, Tandodam. Yes, viewers, here is Sindh Tandodam. This one, the sugar, making the sugar, like I don't know, but from Pakistan language, good. He sent me about 250 rupee per kilo. Very nice. This is very sweet and very nice. In Tandodam city. You see, this situation in the night time, and this straight going to our Latif Gate. Latif Gate mein ja raha hai na? Latif Gate. So also he is my friend, he is selling here right now this one. You see, very nice. About 250 rupee Pakistani per kilo, per kg. Right now it's night time. Almost train is going. Yes, viewers, this is turn very dark in night time. Right now I have to go back Karachi again because here is situation like dark, very dark situation here in Tandodam railway station. This is the main train station track, and I have to wait here, this chair. Yes, viewers, right now I am going back to Karachi. This train right now already night time, and he is my friend here. This train right now Hazara Express going to Karachi. So this video finish right now. So Hazara Express, you know. Joma, Joma.